So there's another section where you can help to do some decent SEO work on your website, which if you go here into your dashboard and you click on the settings section on the left tab here. First up, let's check out the overview section. Over here, you can just have an overview of your website and change any information that might be useful. For instance, I would like to rename the site. Next, I'd like to edit the social preferences for my website over here. This is an image that whenever your site is posted somewhere, social media, Facebook, it will start to show up with that image. You can add your Facebook page here. Just a quick note about Facebook. In order to do this, you need to set up a Facebook page. And in order to get your own customized domain, you need to get at least 25 likes before you can do that. Once you're done with this, go to the General Info tab. And there's some general information over here that you can add for your business. So for example, you can add the right email. And then name your business. Choose a category. I'm in the field of education. Classes and courses. Add a short description. Add a logo. You can add an address. And you can put your regional settings such as your language, set your time zone, and all of this stuff helps to improve the localization of your business wherever it may be. So definitely check this page out and make sure you fill in the right settings for your business.